In this video, I will show you how to set time on your Itel smartwatch. Now, depending on the type of Itel smartwatch you have, there are basically two ways you can go about to set the time and date on your Itel smartwatch. And for the first method, basically you want to head over to the settings of your Itel smartwatch. So press on this button to find out the menu on the smartwatch, and then you just want to go ahead and look for the settings on your Itel smartwatch, and from the settings you should be able to find the time and date settings directly from here. So once you come over to the settings, some Itel smartwatch allows you to be able to set the time and date directly from the smartwatch itself. However, not every Itel smartwatch actually allows you to set the time and date from the smartwatch, so you may not be able to find the date and time settings, which brings us to the second method to set the date and time on our Itel smartwatch, and that is to basically connect the Itel smartwatch to your phone. For this method, you basically just want to go over to your phone, then make sure you have downloaded and installed the smartwatch app that your Itel smartwatch uses. If you're not too sure which smartwatch app your Itel smartwatch uses, you can actually just go over to the paperwork that actually come with your Itel smartwatch. You can scan this QR code over here using your phone's camera, and you should be able to find out the smartwatch that your own Itel smartwatch uses. In my case over here, I have the Itel smartwatch, and for this particular smartwatch, the app to connect it with the phone is actually the Fit Cloud Pro smartwatch app. You can literally see it over here, and I can just go over to the Google Play Store and then make sure I download and install the app into my phone. Keep in mind, if you're using a different Itel smartwatch, then you have to download and install the app that your own Itel smartwatch uses. For some Itel smartwatches, you will have to use the iPulse app or any other application depending on the type of Itel smartwatch you're using. But usually the setup process for all of these applications are quite simple. All you just have to do is to make sure you turn on your Bluetooth, and then also make sure you turn on the service location of your phone before launching the app. Now go ahead and open it up, and from the home page over here, make sure you agree to the terms and conditions. Then make sure you also log in if you do not already have an account. I'll just try and create an account over here, then enter my email and password as well. Once you're done, just go ahead and register, and an account will be created for you. Fill out all of this information over here, and then just click on the next button. And once you're done, what you want to do next is to just go ahead and pair your Itel smartwatch with the phone. And once you do this, the time and date on your Itel smartwatch will exactly be correct with the time and date on your phone as well. So what you want to do is to allow it to search for available devices. Click on OK, click on allow, click on connect, and then just click on the pair button over here, and automatically both devices will be connected together. And as you can see, the time on my Itel smartwatch has automatically corrected itself. So that is basically how to set the time on your Itel smartwatch. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.